Hey guys, it is the next day now. Yesterday I got back from Ohio and then we went on a little road trip to Blackwater Falls, and it was the first time I had ever been there and it was really pretty. And today is Saturday. It's a little bit past 2:30 and we're getting ready to go to Spruce Knob, and I thought that I would take you along. Hey guys, it's Monday now, the 14th. It's 11:30, and yesterday we did some shopping and I wanted to show you what I got. We got some dried mango, but we ate it yesterday. I got this knobbly wobbly ball for the dogs, and we got this brush, the self-cleaning Slicker Brush Pro, because our bigger dog Harley has been shedding a ton, so we should probably brush her. And the baby got a Paw Patrol backpack that came with a small little lunchbox, and it was so cute, but that's somewhere else. And then the last thing is just this Twist and Clean lint brush. I made biscuits and bacon, and I made myself an egg. I had coffee. I'm about to take this stuff out of its packaging, and I think today I'm going to go to the gym, the coffee shop, and the grocery store, and we'll probably just have leftovers for dinner tonight, and then I can make something tomorrow, but I will see you later. Wednesday now, it's a little past 3:30 and we are getting ready to go to the state fair. None of us have ever been to the West Virginia State Fair, and I haven't been to a state fair since high school when I went to the North Carolina State Fair, so I thought that I would bring you along. It's the next day now. Yesterday we left the fair around 8:30 and we got back around 11:30, and we just got ready for bed, and then I woke up at 9, had breakfast, and then I went to the gym and I stopped at Goodwill and Dollar Tree. Then I came home and we are getting ready to go out to Dolly Sods, and I thought that I would start off this vlog before we get there. I have never been, but Gabe and the baby have, so I'm excited to see what it's like. Yesterday we went to Dolly Sods, and then we got Mexican food, and I went to Kroger and just got a case of water, and then we came home. I got 2 packages yesterday that I thought I would share with you. Well, we got 3, but I'll show you this one first. It's my Ipsy bag. It's really cute, this one. It came with a vanilla frosting body lotion, Lottie London 4-piece eyeshadow palette, the mauves. This is a nude rose lip liner. This is Juice Beauty. I think this is like an eyebrow gel. No, this is a mascara. And this is the Grown Alchemist Anti-Pollution Primer. Today, Bath & Body Works is having a sale on their hand soaps, and I want to stock up. I was going to buy them online, but now we're going to go to the mall, so now I can smell them. And I think we might get dinner while we're out. And it is really nice outside, and so I'll just see you when we get there. Hey guys, it is Saturday now, and yesterday we went to the mall, and then we went to the Chinese buffet, and then we came home, and I wanted to show you what soaps I got. I haven't looked to see what promotion they have today, if they do have one. I got Afternoon Apple Picking, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, Sea and Sandstone, Sunshine and Lemons. I love a lemon scented soap for the kitchen. This one is Mountainside Mist, Kitchen Lemon, that's what I'm using right now, and lastly is Champagne Toast.